This is our first review of Apple, being a significant bellwether stock in the US, probably the world's biggest company now. Very, very strong trend in place, and there's a few things here to technically look at. First and foremost, however, there is a 7-for-1 stock split coming up in the next couple of days. Basically, what that will mean is the stock is recalibrated, probably down to just below the $100 level, depending on where we are in the next couple of days. So they do that to make the stock much more attractive to individual investors. People psychologically think they're better off buying a $100 stock than they would be buying a $700 stock. So technically very, very strong. A few things to look at. First and foremost, we have this retracement in this area right here. Now usually the retracement will come down into the 50 to 61.8% area, and you can see it's fallen short of that, and it was also met with some strong buying, this bubble in the buying down here. So that's a sign of a very strong stock right there when it doesn't dip as far as what we expect, but more so when it's met by some strong buying. You can see that the recent announcement here of the new operating system was taken very, very positively by the company. There's a big gap up, strong impulsive price action right here. We expect this will continue right up into this all-time high area up in this region right here. Ideally, if we can get a break up and through there and then consolidate above that old high, that would be extremely bullish with significant upside potential for the stock. At the moment, just a little bit overextended, might even try and pull back a little bit, but as I said, this stock split's going to add an interesting twist to it all. It may just really increase the demand for the stock and shoot it up through these all-time highs very, very quickly.
What is your biggest fear?
When I was 45, I realised that I wouldn't have enough funds for retirement.
When we got out of the armed services, we had nothing.
Is this you? No money for retirement?
I knew I wanted to start trading in the share market.
I wanted to learn how the professionals think, which led me to the Chartist.
I needed an expert. That's when I called the Chartist.
Share trading with the experts. thechartist.com.au.
Our clients use the Chartist because they get 27 years worth of experience and they get to take control of their own investments.
Contact the Chartist right now. Take their 2-week trial.
For $19, it's a 2-week trial. Why wouldn't you do it?
If you're worried about your financial future, then maybe this is a wake-up call. Visit us at thechartist.com.au.
Take charge of your life right now.
I urge you to take charge of your life with the Chartist.
I'd really like to say thank you to the Chartist because our life has changed.